everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make rainbow bouncy balls. I have got an awesome bouncy balls kit. It is perfect for making your very own bouncy balls. So let's get started. For this, you need to grab the two different halves of the bouncy ball mold. It's got a special cup that it sits in. We're going to add some of the bouncy ball mixture. These are tiny particles that feel rubbery. Push them in. I'm taking the rubber ball particles and I'm pouring them into the mold. I want a layered bouncy ball, so I'm adding another color on top. This is going to create a really awesome layered effect. I'm adding a third color on top. It's great because I can't see exactly what it's going to look like on the inside, so it's going to be a surprise. You can add as many different colors as you like, creating a rainbow. Now we're going to add water to the cup that the mold is sitting in. You can see on the top that it's starting to sink, it's starting to seep through. Perfect. We don't want to leave it too long. Follow the instructions. And then unclip it. Cool, huh? A rainbow bouncy ball. That's amazing. Let's see what it looks like using a bigger mold. I'm doing exactly the same thing as I did with the smaller ball, except this ball is going to be bigger. What different coloured ball are you going to make? Keep pouring. You could make one giant ball that is only one colour, or you could use loads of different colours and be surprised by what pattern comes out. Wow, this is going to be a great ball. It's got loads of different colours. See how I'm shaking it to make sure that all the colours are settled? Once the ball is full, we're going to put it into another cup of water. You'll see that the water soaks in. Now it's time to take it out and see what our bouncy ball looks like. Wow! This one is amazing! It's a cool rainbow! A rainbow bouncy ball. You can make loads of different bouncy balls. Look at them bounce! Wow! Very cool! Your very own rainbow bouncy ball. You can make loads. And there you have it, rainbow bouncy balls. Thanks for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. See you next time. Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make a glow-in-the-dark bouncy ball. Doesn't this look awesome? It glows! And all you're going to need is some glow-in-the-dark paint, half a cup of warm water, a fork, 2 tablespoons of PVA glue, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and 1 tablespoon of borax. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to add our borax to the water. Use your fork to give it a good stir. We want to make sure that all of the borax is dissolved. Now we're going to add our glow-in-the-dark paint to our PVA glue. Again, give it a good stir. Now we want to add our corn flour to the mixture. We're going to add it bit by bit so it doesn't get too lumpy. Keep stirring. Make sure there aren't any lumps. Perfect. Now we're going to add our borax solution to the PVA glue. You'll see that the chemical reaction happens immediately. Look at that! Isn't that awesome? Now we want to roll it into a ball shape. Keep rolling until all the bits on your fingers have stuck to the ball. And there you have it. Look at it glow. Isn't that awesome? That was super easy. A glow-in-the-dark bouncy ball. Amazing. Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make something amazing. Doesn't it look awesome? It's Aqua magic sand. That's right, that is sand. So for this you're going to need some coloured sand, polystyrene cups, and some Scotchgard fabric protector. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to pour our coloured sand into the polystyrene cups. I've got 6 different colours. Perfect. Now we're going to take our Scotchgard and spray it on the sand. We're going to leave it overnight to dry. Now it still looks and feels like sand. But let's see what happens when we put it in a vase of water. Isn't that cool? It doesn't react the way that sand should react. Look at that! The sand isn't getting wet. Unbelievable, huh? The Scotchgard is repelling the water. Let's add some more colours. They're staying completely separate from each other. Very cool. It looks like coral under the sea. Let's add some red. Whoa! Amazing! You'd never guess that that was sand. Cool, huh? Look at that one. Now let's try and pick it up. Out in the air, it's sand again. Amazing! This is absolutely the coolest thing ever. So much fun to play with. Aqua magic sand. It really is like magic. How very cool. I'm swirling it all up together and it looks so fun. And there you have it, Aqua magic sand. So cool!